Hi, it's Z for the Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings app, then tap to the sound and vibration to change the ringtone, notifications, alarm, media and call volumes. We should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. By this way. Also we could use the volume buttons to change the volume. Here we got the volume adjustment mode. We could use the Asus optimized or just regular stock Android style. Here we could activate and turn off the outdoor mode to change the volume panel switching options. We like to tap to switch or just to use the native menu. We could also here activate and turn off the complete mode to change the volume scenes from ringtone and notification to turn off volume scene. To activate and turn off the smart ringtone, to change volume default control from media volume to the ringtone one, to change the ringtone for example or media with the help of the volume buttons. To activate and turn off the audio wizard, to use the Bluetooth volume control option to switch it from absolute volume to independent one. To activate or turn off the don't disturb mode, to use the priority mode. Also we could turn on and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change the phone ringtone, alarm and notification sounds, to activate and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and touch sounds with the help of the switchers. And also we could activate and turn off the vibration and haptics, and to change the level just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Zenfone 10. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.